Okay, so we have Cora joining us. Cora is one of our all-star transformers. She's been doing amazing. She's stayed consistent and she's had amazing results. So I have her here to share a little bit of her story with all of you guys. So Cora, lead us into it. Like, where were you before you started our program?
Probably the worst shape in my life. It was like really hard, and I thought because of my age that I won't be able to go back. I knew and I felt that like my metabolism was like really low. I would try to limit even the food that I eat. I tried to my best, and I thought I was doing it right to choose the food that I eat, but it doesn't seem like to work. Nothing is happening. My it's either my weight has consistently be that, or it's even gonna go up. And with this pandemic, where nothing seems to be like happening, and haven't been working out, it's not my best. I don't like actually working out. That was the past. Every time I do something like a workout and I have like this soreness in my muscle, I would stop and then I would wait probably even a week to start doing it again, just to feel like, okay, nothing hurts anymore. I can start again. But then again, it becomes like, so there's no consistency there. So it's just like it's
Mm.
more on and off. So that's why I've stopped. Like nothing is happening.
Yeah, gotcha. So before you came with us, you were in your worst shape. You were getting a little bit older. You tried a few things in the past that didn't work. You didn't like exercise, and so it sounded like you weren't in a great spot. And so after joining our program, I'm curious, what are some of the healthy habits that you've built with us?
Uh, a lot, which I've learned a lot. I mean, with the regular coaching, but with the food, especially with choosing the healthy food, how much, when are you gonna eat this food, actually helped me like understand how, like why we're doing it. And then you see, and I see that like the changes happening even with my regular shopping. I've changed the way I shop or do grocery shopping. And even like workouts, like now I know like I do 3 4 workouts a week. Again, before, every time we would start I would think, okay, I don't even know if I'll be able like to finish the workout. And a lot of the ones that I'm doing is like more on the modification, because like I can't do it. I cannot do sit up. I cannot like do all of those things that seem to be easy for most people. But like I know I was like struggling, but I am so happy to say that a lot of those modifications has been removed. I still do a bit of modification for the ones that I really can't do, but I am able to, I feel like a lot stronger, and I look forward to this 4 times a week of live workout. So, and I've continued to do my video workout. And I just want to like to say this, that like, if I have like, let's say my video workout is like, let's say just one, the core, I'll still try to find one for stretch, because I feel like I'm missing something. I would want a stretch and a core for those other days that I'm not doing the live workout. So it
Perfect. So
actually
you've been
like,
really
yeah,
consistent. You've built a lot of great habits. You're joining us for the live workout sessions, whereas before you didn't know you can do it. But then through our coaching, through the modifications, you found yourself getting stronger. And then with the nutrition as well, you figured out what works for you.
yeah.
We always like to say it's really important to understand like what to eat, when to eat, how much to eat. So you've pretty much mastered all of that. So that's been going really well. And so share with us, like throughout the program, like you've been with us for over 2 months now. What are your results with us so far?
Very good. So I've lost a little over 20 pounds now. And I am very confident that I will reach my goal, hopefully before, within the next month. And I'm looking forward to learning how to maintain it. Because like
Yeah.
I've always said, okay, in the past, when I was a lot younger, I was able to lose my weight, but that was all on my own. So I was able to, but after that, like, okay, now what? Do I continue to lose weight? How do I actually maintain it? I didn't know how to do it. So I'm
Yeah.
looking forward to this. I'm actually excited. So few more pounds
Excellent.
left, and uh, I'll be there.
Excellent. So you've lost over 20 pounds in just under 2 months. There's like two phases, right? We want to lose the weight. We want to make sure to maintain. So we're going to walk you through both those steps. And then lastly, my last question for you is, if someone we're looking to join our program and they're kind of on the fence thinking about it, what would you say to them?
It actually works. Okay, they have the system. This program, we have a system. There's a system that you just like follow your because it actually works. Not only for myself, I've seen a lot in the program that like every week that you would actually call out and then mention all those successes. Those are the successes which I've seen actually inspires. Like that's one of the things that actually inspired me to actually continue on, is because of the successes of these people. When if you hear that other people are actually achieving it, why can't I? I know I'll be able to do it. I just have to focus. And I really think that what's important there is focus and consistency. If what we're thinking, and I've always like thought that you always have to think about the end goal. What is this for me? This is like you've always like start with, okay, I wanted to lose weight, but in reality, at the end, it's actually your health, your lifestyle, because you don't want, and I don't want to be old and not be able to do the things that I like doing. I don't want to be like very sick. I don't want to be immobile. I don't want to be someone who is, okay, no, she's old, that's why she's like that. So I want to be like, okay, even with her age, she's able to do a lot of stuff and she's still healthy. So that's the number one thing in doing this.
Awesome. That's very inspiring, Cora. Thanks for sharing with us everything. We're super proud of you. And you're right. Like when you see people seeing successes and you see people hitting weight loss milestone, it motivates you to keep going. And if other people can do it, why can't I do it? Right. So, if you don't mind sharing, for you, like you're 60 years old and you're still able to lose 20 pounds in 2 months, which is amazing. So the whole team is super proud of you, Cora. Keep up the hard work, and we're excited to see more amazing things for you.
Thank you. Thanks for you and Coach Aki for the support and the help, the guidance. So thank you so much.